Danielle,
Catherine, and I'm Sarah,
and we're the Gymnastics Girls. And today we're going to be doing the Skinny Jean Gymnastics Challenge.
Basically what this is you try to attempt gymnastics wearing skinny jeans, and that's very hard because it's not stretchable at all. So let's get started.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this challenge. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Bye.
Go. Oh my God.